Hi, welcome to my channel Crazy Code Dunia. We started a new series on logical program called as Logical Program Practice. Each episode in this series we focus on different logical program, breaking them down into simple step. You will get step by step explanation of each and every program. Every program is explained well in detail with execution of that program. Today we will see new program how to check leap year in Java or check if given number is leap year or not. Let's discuss what is leap year. So leap year is a calendar year contain additional day compared to common year. Means a year which contain extra days. Usually we have a 365 days in a calendar, but in leap year we have a one extra days like 366 day in a calendar. It is occur every 4 year or it is occur once in every 4 year, in which February we have 29 days instead of 28 days. In leap year, we have February month with 29 days instead of 28 days, called as leap year. So let's jump on logic how we can solve this tricky question. So logic is simple. We need to check first if year is divisible by 4. Year is perfectly divisible by 4 or not. So if it is divisible by 4, that means it is leap year. This is the first condition, leap year. Else it is else it is not leap year. That means our year should be divisible by 4, perfectly divisible by 4. Then and then only it is called as leap year. Else it is not leap year. So now there are some other condition to check if given year is leap or not. Sir, we can just take year divisible by 4. That is sufficient? No. Because there are some centuries year like 2000, 2022 or 2200 1900, like this century year. So we need to check that condition also. For that condition I'm written one another logic, that is if my year is not divisible by 100, not divisible by 100. If my year is not divisible by 100, then I'm saying as it is leap year. Condition is my year it's not divisible by 100, called as leap year. And another condition is condition number 3. I'm saying it's condition number 1, 1, 2, or I'm considering as 3. So if my year is perfectly divisible by 400, then we consider as a leap year. So these three conditions should be matched, then and then only we are considering that is leap year. You got it? This is the simple logic you need to understand. First, it should be perfectly divisible by 4. This is first condition. Second, it should not be divisible by 100. Then it is called as leap year. And third is it should be divisible by 400, called as leap year. Okay. So let's check on ID how we can run this program. I'm creating one class. Class name is A13 leap year. Just create one main method called as public static void main string args. Now we are taking one scanner class, scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in for input stream. Now we will ask client enter the year, enter the year, enter the year. Okay. Now we will store that value into one integer value. I'm considering it as the integer sc dot next int. Okay. So here we have a input value now from user and we store that into year. Now we have to check whether that given year, if year modulus of 4 divisible by 4 equal to 0. If that year divisible by 4, then we can consider that year as a leap year, that year as a leap year. And second condition, and year is not divisible, year it's not divisible by 100, not divisible by 100. Or third condition, year is divisible by 400 equal to 0, called as leap year. So you understand how I written, if year is divisible by 4, then we can consider as it is leap year. L, and if year is not divisible by 100, then we can call as a leap year. Or if year is divisible by 400, then also we call as a leap year. This is one way to write. A second way, we can just write like if, let me put this one also, I will give that one also. Given year is leap year. So what is given here? I will add here year. So this is the one way. Else given year is not a leap year. Is not a leap year. Is not a leap year. So in this way we can solve this program. Okay. Otherwise, you can write like this also. Let me comment this. You can write this also. If year is divisible by 4 equal to 0, this condition is satisfied, then you can also write if year is divisible by 400 equal to 0. Let's inside this one, close this one. Like this also you can write if year is divisible by 4, sorry, divisible by 100, not equal to 0. So in this way also you can write the program. So in this way also you can write the program. Let's jump on first one only, so you will get better understanding. Or in this way you also, if you are comfort with this one also, so it is also simple way to understand the program. So first condition is if year is divisible by 400 perfectly, then it is called as leap year. If year is divided by 400 perfectly or exactly, then it is also called as leap year. Or year is not divisible by 100, it is called as leap year. Else that year is not leap year. Okay, let me remove this and remove this. Okay, now we have our proper if condition. So let's save this one and run. So enter year, I am entering 2024. 2024 is given year is leap year. 2024 given year is leap year, correct? Let save and run one more time. I am entering 2000, it is leap year. Enter. 2000 given year is leap year. Okay, so how, sir, 2000 is leap year? Let's check on Google. If we take example 2024, the number 2024 is both divisible by 4. That means it's perfectly divisible by 4 and we are getting answer 506, and not divisible by 100. Not divisible by 100. Then 2024 will be a leap year. 2024 will be a leap year. It was same for last leap year, which is took as place as a February 29, 2020. So let's check here. 2020 is leap year or not? 2020. Yes, 2020 is a leap year. Oh, let's check for which is not leap year. So 2025 is a not leap year. 2025 is a not leap year. In this way, we can find leap year in Java. Thank you. Please subscribe and like.